Hey, welcome to the bonus edition of Speak Like a Leader, how to turn your voice into your biggest business asset. This one is for my business owners and side hustlers who are ready to take their leadership communication to the next level. Over the course of this week, we've been exploring how your words, not just your work, are the key to creating opportunities. Today, I'm going to apply those same principles with a focus on you and your business. This means whether you are pitching to clients, showing up online, or selling your services, how you communicate directly impacts your results. Just so you know, it is not enough to have a great product or offer either. You have to know how to talk about it in a way that connects and compels people to take action. So if we start from the top with day one, silent excellence is costing you in your business. Doing great work isn't enough. You have to be able to communicate effectively. Inside of CWL, I had a member who came to me, and we'll call her Danielle. And Danielle has this amazing skincare line. Yes, her products are top notch because we believe in excellence, but her competitors, some with products that are far less superior, were outperforming her, outselling her. Now, why would that be? And the answer is Danielle wasn't visible, and her messaging was too focused on what her products were, what value they had, instead of what they did, what impact they served or delivered. In her messaging, or when she was communicating, she would say things like, my products use organic ingredients, which means she's talking about value. But in talking about value, that's cool. And don't get me wrong, some people do value the fact that organic ingredients are being used. But there's a reason we want organic ingredients. There's a belief that we have about the quality of or the possibility of organic ingredients, one being put in our body, but also delivering the result that we want it to have. What she wasn't speaking to is things her customers desired, their goals, such as clear skin, confidence, saving time in their routines. So when we worked together and we reframed her messaging to focus on impact, this allowed her to almost double her sales. Changing your language will open doors, will increase revenue, and you will think that that's all I had to do. In the beginning, it won't feel that way. It'll feel uncomfortable. Well, once you get it, you'll be unstoppable. So what I want you to take away from day one's topic on silent excellence is that being silent doesn't just cost you recognition. It's costing you money. You need to lead the narrative by showing both the value of your work and the impact it creates. From day one, we then went on to day two, day three-ish, if you will, and we talked about communicating value and impact. And if you recall, the difference between value and impact is the difference between getting noticed and being ignored. And I'll use Confident Women Lead as an example of different messaging that I've tried and what worked and what didn't and why it did or did not work. When I launched Confident Women Lead, one of the products that I launched or one of the offers that I made was communicate with confidence in 90 days or less. And listen, I thought that this is exactly what my audience needed. It highlights a valuable skill that I know you need, which is learning to communicate effectively. And to be honest, even in my mind, when I would ask my ideal audience, you all, what you need, a lot of times being able to communicate with confidence is what you would say. But there are levels to this, right? And there's a reason, again, why you want to be able to communicate with confidence. So yes, there is value and being able to communicate with confidence. And you may even understand the value in that. But without pairing it to the impact, you won't take action. It'll come across as information to you. Now, compare that to speak like a leader. Learn how to communicate your value and get noticed by decision makers in just 7 days. Both offers teach communication skills, but speak like a leader combines value and impact. It promises not just the skill, but it also says that you can get noticed and create opportunities. That's why it works. So, as a business owner, I want you to think about, are you talking about what you do, what you think your people need, such as things that are related to value? So, whether that is communication skills or whether that is organic products, or are you showing them the results that you deliver, i.e., clear skin, being able to talk to decision makers? Another example, value would say, I offer leadership coaching. Value plus impact would say, my clients gain the confidence to lead high performing teams and secure promotions within 6 months. So I'm telling you what is the value of it and the impact of it. Securing promotions within 6 months. As a takeaway from this edition, I want you to think about one way you can combine value and impact when talking about your business. If you would like for me to see your value and impact statement regarding your business, again, hop inside of our community. There's just a few days left to get feedback or to ask me questions. The link will be in the show notes as always. And then, for the purposes of today's edition, which will be part 1, I'm going to stop at lesson 3, which puts us at day 3, when we talked about speak to leaders and decision makers. Again, when we think about leaders, yourself, but also in your case, if you're selling a product, the decision maker is going to be your customer, your client, your member, etc. And they are looking for outcomes, not features. To resonate, you need to frame your messaging in a way that gives them the result and impact that they need, but you don't want to word it in the way that says, I believe you need this. You need to listen for what they believe they need and or want right now. So if I'm building on lesson 2, speak like a leader works because it speaks directly to what matters most to you. Creating opportunities, making money, being recognized. These are high stake outcomes for leaders, whether you're running your own business like we're talking about now or climbing the corporate ladder. So now let's imagine that I told you CWL offers, or Confident Women Lead offers, mindset and confidence coaching. We offer monthly strategy calls, as well as we have a resource center, a tool center, technique center that will help you grow. It is customized to Black and brown women. It's going to tell you things that no one else has told you. It's going to communicate in our language so that you get it. You don't have to read between the lines or none of that. That sounds good, right? Sounds okay? But did it move you to go take action? If I told you to go here and sign up now, do you feel compelled to follow through? Maybe some of you do. Or maybe you'll get to the sales page and you'll, start to go over analyze and all those things. Now, imagine if I said CWL is taking Speak Like a Leader to the next level. We're going to show you how to make money, get recognized, and create your next opportunity. Whether you want a promotion, a raise, or to grow your business, I'm going to teach you how to turn your voice into your biggest asset. In the first example, I listed features. I told you about what we do inside. The other speaks directly to your goals. That is the difference between just saying value and then putting value with impact. I am still a believer that 2025 is a year that Black women, that brown women can win. if we stay focused, if we are willing to double down, like we said, on taking care of us, which means we're putting ourselves first and we are putting money toward the resources we need to level up, to secure resources for should a time come where things do get as crazy as we believe that they're going to get. This is your moment right here, right now. I want you to take away that decision makers care about outcomes, not only outcomes, but the outcomes that they are looking for right now. You are likely looking to make more money right now, and I've got you. CWL is the only place you can go to work both on your career and or your business. As Cardi told us, you don't have to choose. You can have both of them inside of CWL. Whether you are going out in your business and you are pitching your services or framing an offer, I want you to be asking yourself, what outcomes does the other person care about? How does my value help them achieve that outcome? What result would they see if they say yes? Again, hop inside the community if you have questions or you want me to review the value and impact statement that you have created for your business. I want to see you take an action so that you can get the money, get some wins, move forward. All right, I'll talk to you in part 2.